You're on.
Oh, we're on. Here we are. I know we're here at the Taranaki Whānui Māri Rugby League tournament for 2025, our 10th anniversary whānau. We have our mana wahine, our wahine tour here on field 1, our first wahine games for the tournament, and I have a very special guest sitting right next to me here, who's commentating with me in this game, Vicky Dombrowski. Kia ora.
Kia ora, Caps, and kia ora to all the listeners out there. How exciting. Look at this haka. Amazing.
Which one? Which one?
Both of them.
Both haka here. It's a bit of a haka off. We're very lucky, very fortunate to have Vicky's presence with us this weekend, whānau. Obviously, Vicky has done a lot of mahi within the women's rugby union space for many, many years, and to have her here to call some of our wahine games is really cool. Really, really cool. You excited about the tournament, Vicky?
I am. Oh, and kia ora for that. Thank you for putting me in like that. But holy heck, the weather's typical Taranaki spring day. Yeah, we're here and looking forward to this first Wahine game.
Yes, most definitely. Really looking forward to this one. It's going to be a great game. Ātiawa are the current champions of the Wahine Tour division at the Taranaki Whānui Māri Rugby League tournament. Taranaki Tūturu, obviously the hosts of the tournament, so they'll be looking for a big tournament this weekend. So this should be a ripper of a game to kick things off. Now over on field 2, which is live streamed on the Taranaki Whānui Māri Rugby League page, is the other two teams in Ngā Ruahine, who are playing over there in Ngati Mutunga. So there'll be crossovers after these games that we're kicking off with amongst all 4 teams. So one pool, three games round robin, and then into a final and a third, fourth playoff.
Oh, just waiting for the ball. Here it is.
Great crowd out here today. Even considering the weather, the grandstand's full. All the food stalls are full. Plenty of kai down here, whānau. So if you're at home and you're considering coming down, chuck your raincoat on and get down here. It only happens once a year, whānau. Well, a nice low kick-off there by Alia Hirerako. Taranaki Tūturu with the ball now. Oh, the contact straight away. Oh, she's offside though. Taranaki Tūturu with the tap. Oh, some of the girls still getting used to the rules there, eh, Vicky? I think.
Maybe, eh? Couple of rugby players in there.
Yeah, I think so. For our listeners at home, we do have a lot of rugby union girls that play in the tournament, and also wahine that travel from around the motu to come and play in the tournament, come back to represent their iwi. So it's pretty special.
Oh, it is special, Caps, eh? I see that Eritana Hohaya is over on the other field today. Yes. So that'll be good to call that one, I think, this afternoon on field 1. So that'll be great. 100%
to have a Blackburn here with us playing at the tournament in Rahotu.
Remote control.
It's pretty special. So
there's a tip.
Only like $200.
She's caught and touched there. That'll be a dropout.
Zoom in and zoom out on the panhandle.
Big mihi up to La Winitana also, who is a referee for this game. Come all the way up from Wellington.
Just because it's hard for me to put my...
Awesome to see our wahine referee in the official space.
Absolutely. I thought she was playing. She's a handy player, I understand, as well.
Oh, great contact.
Great contact, all right.
Oh, put the cut on, getting back towards the post. Nice strong carry, which is met with strong defence. Oh, close to the line. Davison with the contact.
Yeah, that was Tiana Davison, people at 10 for Te Ātiawa. Oh,
went for the
dang.
intercept.
That was nearly
Knocked the
there.
ball on.
Is that the girl that played for
Her sister.
Gold Coast?
Yeah, no.
That's her sister.
Oh, is it?
Mm.
Oh, sorry. Sorry,
Tiana, yeah,
folks.
no, that's all right. Tiana Davison made the Kiwi Ferns, so she couldn't play in this tournament. Otherwise, she would have been here. So that's her little sister out there, number 10.
They kind of play the same, don't they?
Yeah. There's a couple of good players out here. Alia Kirirako for Te Ātiawa has always been good right through the grades. You also have, I think it's Alicia Williams, plays for the Manawatu Cyclones, I think. Oh, yeah, nice backdoor play. Gone short side. Oh, she's over.
They didn't? Nah.
Nah, just short.
Right, here we go. Good contact here. It's a close game.
Who's that referee? Tackle loud.
Oh, nice tip on play.
Here we go, wide.
Oh, no, great tackle there, though.
Good tackle, all right.
That by Nina Tangira, I think. Oh, the chip.
Get on that loose ball.
Oh, Tūturu's ball again.
Oh, this must be hard when you've got to defend like this in this weather.
100%. I've defended this 3 or 4 sets now. They're doing well to hold them out, though.
All right. Oh, loose ball there. No.
So it's getting a bit boggy out there with this rain, Whānau.
Who's the ref kid?
The referee is La Wini Tama from Te Wanganui Ātara. Just saying it's awesome to have our wahine in the official space. Even within the coaching space, it's really important that we have heaps of our wahine in those spaces.
Just a aside, I think that probably league's doing that better than rugby at the moment, like getting those pathways for wahine in the coaching and in the refereeing and all those official, and even governance, I think.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, good point there. That a lot of wahine are our pou within our sport. Not only in the back, in the admin office or in the kitchen, but actually out here, running the waters, doing the officiating and coaching, all just as important. Good footwork here, Williams. Around the outside, she's still going.
That's a nice strong run, huh?
Good tackle there by Te Raupura Leape. I think it is.
Wiki name.
Very close game we got here, Whānau. Oh, the big run up the middle.
Yeah, nice.
Go run. Freedom Edmonds. She's back for another run. Beautiful. You were just saying before, Vicky, these uniforms are pretty awesome, aren't they?
Aren't they quite stunning?
Yeah.
Can't get away with anything with those ones on because they know who you are, right?
100%. Oh, great footwork. Good contact here. Good contact there by Te Ātiawa. Kirirako. Pick it from dummy half.
Hello.
Oh, nice cup ball.
Fuck that wrong. Hey, bro, my boy had a rumble yesterday at the pool point.
Oh, good carry.
And then with mate. And then that's why I was like, but then.
Oh, that one
Just about went backwards.
brings the ball. Oh, my, look at that. Ātiawa with the ball. Here they go. They spin it wide. Nina Tangida. Back into Williams.
They're both pleading their case and did it.
It's been non-stop footy. Not many penalties, eh, Vicky?
No, mate. I would have expected a few more drop balls on this weather because it's pretty yucky
first
out
one. Yeah, first one for a while.
Yeah.
Also, a big mihi out to our amazing sponsors of our 10th anniversary for our tournament, Toi Foundation, always supporting the kaupapa Parininihi ki Waitōtara PKW 1 Foundation. Also, Te Koremako o Taranaki Waha, Te Kāhui o Taranaki, Te Kāhui Maru, Te Kāhui Rauru, Te Rūnanga o Ngāti Ruanui, and Te Rūnanga o Ngāti Mutunga. Thank you very much for your api, for your tautoko and support for this kaupapa that's elevating for our people, elevating for our communities and for our culture. Taranaki Tūturu on the attack here. Leape with the carry. Oh, great run. They head back towards the middle. Oh, they got numbers around the post. Oh, great tackle close to the line.
Yeah, looks like there's someone down in the background there too. I don't know who that is.
Oh, there's an injury. Oh, that's timing. Taranaki Tūturu on the they were on the go there.
That's have a little rest.
Pretty good ploy there, eh?
Yeah, have a little rest.
I'm injured. Nah, I hope she's all right. Very smart. Very smart.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, I've got a
bit of magic water. She's going to do all right, I think.
Like even this camera swings too early, so all the moves easy, so there's no friction. You know,
so for all our listeners at home, next Friday night, the 17th of October, we have the Taranaki Whānui Māri Rugby League Tournament 10th anniversary celebration dinner.
Yeah.
Now this is at the Devon Hotel, Whānui. $80 a ticket. You get a 3-course meal. You got a band. You got guest speakers. You got an awards night. We're naming teams of the decade for the Tāne and the Wahine. It's going to be a huge night, Whānui. Very similar to the Daily M Awards in the NRL, where we count down the team of the decade for the Tāne and the Wahine. So you won't want to miss it, Whānui. So get your tickets. Tickets close on Monday. So make sure you spread the word. Come along and enjoy an awesome night of festivities and celebration of what's been amazing. Got a very close game here, Whānui. Both of these teams have just been rattling away. No one's managed to score yet.
No scores.
The defense has been great. The trying conditions too.
Oh, yes, baby.
Oh, here we go. The big carry through the middle. Oh, great positioning by the fullback. Puts a bit of footwork on.
Did they kick early then, Caps, or what?
Yeah,
it might have, eh? That was
yeah.
would have been 3 or 4. Maybe 3 or 4. Mind you, you can see the ponytails and everything. They got the wind at their back. So, you know, maybe that's a strategy as well.
I think so. I think so. The fullback's into the play again. Let's get involved. Great contact there, though. Got a tight tussle on our hands today, Whānui. And we've got the sun's come out. The sun has come out. We've got the sunblock. There's all these sunblock stations all around the field, Whānui. No mai haramai.
So I think you might be hallucinating. It's the rain has stopped. That's all that's happened. Yeah, just for now.
It's like Christmas has come all at once, Whānui. So Vicky, obviously you've spent a lot of time in women's rugby, and you were right there, you know, at the inception of the women's game and its growth throughout, you know, throughout many years. How does it feel like, even though, you know, rugby union is a sport that you've had a lot to do with, how does it feel as a mana wahine to see the growth in both codes, rugby union and rugby league, to see the opportunities that are now on offer to our wahine?
Yeah, look, there's so many opportunities for young wahine now, and they, you know, they can get paid for it. And I do remember when I was at high school, Waitara High School, social studies going, hey, you know, athletes are going to be paid for sport. And I got laughed out of the room. And, you know, 20 years later, hello, they are. And it's not just men, it's women as well. And so it's really good. And, you know, use it while you've got it. Because it doesn't last forever, does it, Cats? Well, I mean, you know, crikey, I've got no knees left or hips. So, but I wouldn't take it away for anything. I just had such a good time doing sport and love it.
100%. And I mean, it's stalwarts of the game like yourself and others that have, you know, given so much to lay those foundations to see, you know, the fruits, you know, the fruition, you know, come to, or everything for the fruits to come to fruition. I'm getting my words mixed up there. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. And they can make a decent living now. I mean, you know, some of I know some of the wahine and NRLW only, you know, that's about a 6 months of the year that they're full time, but they get actually quite a good wage for it too, and it's great to see because they play some great footy, you know.
Well, yeah, but you know, so that's sort of also, you know, pros and cons. Yeah, it takes our girls away from Ātiawa, right?
Yeah,
you know,
that's right.
But that's okay. It is what it is. We've got the Warriors in there now too, the women's Warriors team. So there's the opportunity there in the pathway, right?
And a few Taranaki girls in there, Michaela Blyde and Michaela Brake, sorry.
Yes.
And Gail Broaden's just signed.
She's that. Yeah.
Back, so.
She's the cuz. Broaden's my cousins.
Yeah.
Right,
oh, the Broadens are.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Kia ora. We have a very close game here, Whānui.
Yeah, I'd like to see Ātiawa score before half time so that we can get the game back in and get some points on the board, because what do we got here? 3 for a win, 2 for a draw, 1 for a loss. Is that right?
That's right. Yep.
Okay.
I'm a bit torn though, Vicky.
Are you, mate?
Yeah, I like, you know, represented Ātiawa for most of my life.
Right.
I'm also a Tūturu boy, Taranaki Tūturu, and I live down here now, so I'm very torn. I've got a few cousins upset with me that I've kind of, you know, gone down this way, and hey, it's all good, eh?
No, that's life, isn't it?
It's all fun and games.
Yeah, absolutely.
All fun and games till someone gets hurt.
Yeah, someone loses. Bringing the big girls in.
Oh, they're in. Big carry here.
Here we go. Oh.
Oh, lovely tackle. I'm pretty sure that
must be close.
Oh, nice contact. Great contact. I wish I had a team list on me, Whānui, but I'm pretty sure that Oh, outstanding defense, Tūturu.
Absolutely. I was so
We got
sure then. I was
game.
so sure.
Yeah.
Ātiawa win.
We got a game on our hands, Whānui. Just want to take my hat off to our Te Kore Mako whānau as well, who are doing an absolute amazing job, whānau. For all our listeners at home, bear with us sometimes if there's a couple of glitches. We've got 40k winds coming sideways with rain, and we're all out here trying to cover this for you while you sit at home nice and comfortable on your couch.
Front of your fire.
But they're doing a fantastic job to give us coverage, you know, for all of our whānau at home and around the world who are tuning in to watch their cousins play, their nieces, their nephews, their aunties, their uncles, even their korors. There's even korors out there. There's a kaumātua grade this weekend, whānau.
$14-6 to go in on the other field.
Oh, there we go. 14-6 to Ngā Rua Ine over Ngāti Mutunga on field 2 at the moment.
That could be the Hōhaya factor, maybe?
Yeah, it could be. I did hear a little rumour that they got a pretty big squad. I think Ngāti Ruanui was supposed to play in the tournament and ended up pulling out, but a lot of those girls ended up going to Rua Ine. They got a big, pretty quality squad, I think. So it'll be hard to beat. Here we go. Oh, she's running hard. Look
What
at
a
that.
beautiful
Through the
run.
middle.
Ah, very strong. Yep. Be nice to have that team sheet.
Yes,
What about
yes. Auntie Alana, can you please send over the team sheet, please? If she's watching. Tawny Burgess. That's Tawny Burgess there, I think, the number 7. She plays for the North Devils in Brisbane. And she got player of the tournament at last year's tournament here. Well, the one in Inglewood at Kohangamoa. Here she goes again. Hits the left edge. Looks drawn pass. Great contact,
Looked like
though.
there was some space.
Oh,
Here
they
we
pass
go.
the ball. Here we go. A Tūturu in. Oh, and they offload. Oh, she loses the ball over the line. Wow.
Well, that's the conditions, whānau. It's pretty wet and slippery out here.
Outstanding defence by Te Ātiawa. Protecting the pa. Protecting the pa on the line, whānau. Oh, the tap and go. This is Freedom Edmonds.
You got better eyesight than me. I can't see that far.
Yeah, that's Williams with the carry.
Oh, what happened there? Sorry.
Half time.
Well.
Wow.
0-0.
0-0. That just goes to show that we have two very competitive sides that want this win. The defence has been outstanding given the conditions, eh, Vicky?
Absolutely. You know, there's been chances both ends, and it's just not kind of pulled off for them yet, has it?
On BB.
Who have we got for sounds over there, Caps?
Yeah, you can have rest.
Sounds over there is BB. Brendan Broughton.
Okay. Cool.
Put in the jams. We just better make sure we pay him because those Mountaineers didn't pay him, did they?
Oh, that's
Sorry,
wow. I'm not sure that we're allowed to talk about politics here, are we?
That accidentally slipped out.
That accidentally slipped out.
Simple. All good. Wait, they. Yeah.
Can we see out of your glass full without your glass?
Yeah.
I was just kind of trying to see if I could see better on there, but
Who's winning this one? Oh, you haven't seen that one? Hey, guys!
Yeah, I'm not I didn't see the ball and I'm not close enough. That's a shot. Take a shot to get in.
So is this off now? Is it?
The mic's off, hey, it's completely.
We are back, whānau. We're back for the second half of this game between Taranaki Tūturu, the hosts, and Te Ātiawa in the Wahine Tour division, the first game of the tournament. And we have a kickoff here by Tawny Burgess. The ball's trapped there by Alia Kere Rako. Strong carry there, strong, met with strong defence as well. Here's another great shot carry. At the moment, we're just calling her Tiana Davison's sister. Is that right?
Yeah, Maddie.
Maddie, that's it. Maddie. There we go. No more Tiana Davison's sister. Maddie Davison with the carry. Making some good yards.
Well, now they've got the penalty. We'll see what they can do with it. I think give those big forwards a bit of a workout, eh?
100%.
Here we go.
Oh, nice. Good carry. Good leg drive there. Finds it front as well.
Nice support. Oh.
Nina Tangira, drawn pass. Williams.
Here we
she's
go.
good.
Here,
Oh, the great tackle. Tūturu. Coming back around, looking for the cut. They send it wide. Open it up. Oh, forward pass there.
It's,
But no,
it
the
looked
ref let
like
it
one.
go. It's the last now. The kick.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, she's in.
The deadlock's
Deadlock
broken.
Kick. Outstanding kick there. Who was that kick? Alia Kiridapo. Outstanding with the winger, the timing out wide and the pace onto the ball. Scores on the right-hand side. Outstanding work.
Fantastic. Great to see the deadlock. The door's open. What's their number?
That number, she was the winger over on the right-hand side.
So, folks, we're sitting up in a we're sitting up in a little box up in Rahotu, and the wind's blowing a wee bit, and it's shaking a bit, and wow, just wish you were here.
Oh, I reckon.
Hey, the ball boys and everything are doing a good job there, Caps.
Yeah, they are. They're doing a good job. The ball boys are also collecting the scores and making sure all our volunteers are fed and got coffees and checking the rubbish bins. They're actually so the role as ball boy is kind of expanded. They got a few extra things on top of the old ball boy role now. Pretty good, eh?
And it's probably not ball boy,
Oh,
just to be fair,
yeah,
right?
it's probably probably
Ball
man.
person.
Ball person, ball man, ball man. All right, this is going to make this game very interesting because the Ātiawa are up 4-0 at the moment. Here we go. Oh, lovely
switch.
cut.
Yes.
Nice big carry again. Oh, knock on there. Tūturu ball now.
Right, wonder what Tūturu have got up there to sleeves.
So Tūturu need to do something here.
I see Portia Huffins on as well. She's a little rugby player for Taranaki Whānui.
Which one's that one?
Oh, she's in the middle there.
Oh,
you
yes.
guys have you're all back front
Okay,
for me, so
okay.
she's at hooker, I think.
Okay, cool. Awesome to see our Taranaki Whānui girls getting out here to have a run. I think their season's finished now, isn't it?
All right.
Here we go.
Oh, that
almost
was a
losing it.
close.
She holds on to it. Great tackle there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Good carry. She's still going.
Beats one, beats two.
She's been outstanding today. And a great tackle. Nice and low. Around the legs. Here we go, Tawny Burgess. Oh, no.
Oh, that's a
They
shame.
knocked that on. That's a
Yeah.
shame. They had really good go forward there.
Any of your kids playing here? Tony?
Yeah. One.
Tipene.
Go.
Oh, Kahu. Isn't he an
Yes. Awkward. Last.
Have you got one in Aussie? Okay.
Here we go. Ātiawa off the back of the scrum. Oh, early shift. Risky stuff out of their red zone. Good run there. Is that Freedom Edmonds, I think?
Yeah, it looks like Freedom.
They're going to hit a short side here. Oh, ooh, wow, they let it off. Thought you got a hand to that first. Oh, great run. Oh, and down the short side. Oh, she's out. They try to play with that short side. Come off second best there.
So that's Portia Hufferman, 29. You've got Freedom what's her name? Freedom Edmonds, sorry, beg your pardon, Whānui, and 11. They just do interchange all the time as the rule here today, isn't it?
Yep, rolling subs.
Okay.
They got 4 games over 2 days, so it's important that you can just roll on and off. Just safety stuff too, you know, given the loading on the players.
I think your version of the sun's out is happening again.
Yes, it is. It is, yeah. Lucky I brought my sunblock with me.
And look, it's even light.
Oh, good run there. I think that might be Jamie Meyer, I think. Here we go. Let's see what she can do. Chiba, almost through. Just grabbed on by Freedom Edmonds. Oh, there's an opening. There's an opening. Great defense. Oh, the nudge. Oh, she's in. That's a try.
All day.
Taranaki Tūturu are in. They level the score with the kick to come.
I was just about to say, I think the Te Ātiawa were a little bit weak around the ruck there. Like, you know, there was some space.
That was a little bit loose there. The first time they've kind of looked a bit loose around the ruck, though, because their defence has been actually pretty good.
Oh, absolutely. Both sides.
Yeah, both sides have. But, hey, we're at the back end of the game now, and it's starting to, you know, people are starting to fatigue. This is what makes this tournament so unique and so difficult is you've got 4 games over 2 days. So the way in which you reserve your energy for certain things and make sure your substitutes are working well and really does play a part in terms of getting those wins.
Absolutely. Tournaments are all like a game of their own, aren't they, really? They're very... I mean, you know, you only have to look at World Cup tournaments and things like that. You know, they're totally different than a one-off test or anything like that. You got to be very, very strategic.
100%. We have a game on our hands, Whānui. It is 6-4. 6-4 to Taranaki Tūturu at the moment. I've got a feeling Te Ātiawa is going to really bounce back from this. They'll be hungry, knowing that they're 2 points down.
Sounds like it's all go behind us there, Kat, from the other game.
We've got a pretty good game going on behind us on field 2, I think.
20-something, 16 over here.
Oh, Wahine.
I don't think I've ever seen a pink kicking tee either, just quietly.
There he goes, the match the uniform, mate.
Aye.
Maybe it's part of the package. When you buy the uniform, you get a
free kicking tee.
Yeah. Oh, doesn't go 10.
She'd have caught that in the air and landed in the 10. Would that have been a... Nah. Okay. Just checking.
Yeah, it's got to go over the 10.
Okay. It's going to be those kinds of errors that might let them down, eh? They're just the simple things.
Little things, eh?
Yeah.
You want to hold them out here.
Yeah. Oh, 32-6 to Wahine.
Oh, hey.
32-6
So do I.
on field 2. Māru Ine over Ngāti Mutunga. And we have a tight one here, 6-4 on field 1, Taranaki Tūturu over Te Ātiawa. Oh, good hands. Good hands. Send it. Oh, they got numbers out wide. I'll be hitting that left channel right now. Shotgun play, short side. Here we go. Shift the ball. Puts the kick in instead. They knock it on, and she dives on it. Knock on by Te Ātiawa. Therefore, it is the Taranaki Tūturu feed in the scrum.
And 6 more chances to get a try.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
There we go. Oh no, there's a knock on.
The
There's
back
a
of that
knock on
scrum.
in the scrum.
Yeah.
Te Ātiawa want to make the most of this. They haven't really had a lot of ball in the second half, have they? They've been defending quite a lot.
Well, they've made some errors, and
Made
that's what
some errors,
happens,
and
right?
That's right. Off the scrum now. Te Ātiawa, Kirirapo, Williams. Tangira. Oh, and she looks for the offload, and it's a knock on.
Oh, yeah. Can ill afford to do that. Okay, that's what it is.
Just a reminder, whānau, about our 10th anniversary Taranaki Whānui Māri Rugby League tournament dinner, celebrationary dinner, next Friday night, 17th of October at the Devon Hotel. $80 a ticket, whānau. Get you a 3-course meal, guest speakers, a naming of the team of the decade, some fun prizes, and yeah, it's going to be a great night. So make sure you get your ticket. They close on Monday, whānau, so make sure you get those sorted as soon as possible. There's not many tickets left, so make sure you get them, whānau. It's once every 10 years we get to celebrate it. Some great hands by Tawny Burgess. About 2 or 3 times there where she could have knocked the ball on, and she's must have super grip on those hands. Here we go, back towards the post. They're going to hold her out. Great defense by Te Ātiawa. They go for the chip again, and it's lost again, and then, oh, there we go, knocked on again by Te Ātiawa. They keep looking for that little chip to try and hope to get the knock on.
Well, that's a really good strategy and tactic as well, wasn't it? You know, and keeping it on the ground instead of putting it up high. Mind you, that could work too.
100%. 100%. 36-6 we have on the other field, on field 2, 36-6 to Whānui over Ngāti Mutunga at the moment. Oh, they're hitting a short side. They got a shotgun play. Look at the winger with the toe. They draw a pass. She's it. Great tackle. But does she get in? There's some flying defense coming across. They're going to go to the touchy. They're going upstairs.
Oh, is that us?
Yeah, te kore mako. They got their little going upstairs. Wait on. What's the ref calling it? Where's the big no try? Oh, no, it's a try.
There you go. You called it. You were right.
We just need the flash little thing that goes on now and says try on the camera. You know,
Yeah, with flashing lights and that.
Flashing lights. One day. So Tūturu, they take that out to a 10-4 lead now. 10-4 lead.
It's going to be a challenging kick, that one.
Yes, it
From
will
the
be.
sideline. Had some really nice runs, Cap, on the way up to that try with cutting back on the inside and coming into close quarters again.
100%.
I think you can see, Whānui, that wind's getting up. If you look at the trees and behind the camera there on the camera, they're all blowing in the wind. But it's better than all the rain that was there as well. So, Cap speak, whether the sun's come out and it's a beautiful day.
Yes, yes it is. Only in Raho 2. Raho 2, Whānau. The old Foursquare in Raho 2 wouldn't know what hit them, eh, Vicky? Never seen so many people.
Exactly. Right? I saw a whole lot of people stopping. Where was I? Okato. Yeah.
Where did all these Māoris come from?
They're all come home.
They all come home.
Wouldn't it be beautiful if they stayed,
Yeah,
eh?
that's it. Come and stay down in Raho 2, Whānau. No one leave.
Oopsie. Yeah, I was just talking about that wind. It's picked up quite considerably, I think. And it'll be a factor in all the games this afternoon, I imagine.
It will be, and it's quite boggy. The field's quite boggy now, underfoot. Wonder how our masters are going over on field 3.
Yeah. Only playing second or third game.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that. The show and go up the middle. Hard work here for Ātiawa now. Tūturu have had all the ball. They're just defending and defending and defending.
Taranaki Tūturu using their forwards really well.
They are. Here we go. Oh, nice. Nice inside ball. She's caught though. Great defence. Great scramble defence by Ātiawa.
I'm sorry, I don't recognise what that ref just said there, mate. What was it? Using their feet on the ball or something?
I think that was the last. That was the last. So it's a handover.
My bad.
That's all right.
Sorry, Whānau.
No, she didn't go and play the ball. Vicky didn't plant the ball and get over.
And place it.
Place it, yeah, that's it.
You know what impresses me the most? I think that rugby has really taken on a lot of the tactical ways of league, and it's working for rugby. And you know, there's a lot of rivalry between rugby and rugby league, but I don't think there should be, and it's definitely not for this tournament because it's just about Whānau rather than
That's right.
the game of league or rugby.
Yeah. And the good coaches in both codes understand and identify the beauty of each game.
Right.
You know, you see some good rugby league coaches that actually go and learn and develop off rugby union coaches, and then vice versa.
Okay, there's another rule here too, I think, that I saw in the rules, and that was the 2030
Yep.
for the Wahine.
Yes, that's right. Yep.
So if that
So
was the case,
yeah.
she could get the ball back.
That's right.
Okay.
But yeah, you see some, like, I don't know, he might be listening. Actually, Brad Cooper, who's with our Taranaki Bulls side, I catch up with him quite a lot. He's actually a rugby league fanatic, and he actually watches a lot of rugby league. And I don't know if you see how the Taranaki Bulls play, but in terms of their backline shape, is very much there's elements of league in there with backdoor plays and pods and stuff. It's
Absolutely, I think, and I think that makes rugby way more exciting.
100%. The Bulls are very exciting to watch.
Yeah. Taranaki Tūturu are making some big inroads here. They've gobbled up a lot of ground in the last couple of minutes.
There
we go. What a beautiful run.
Their forward pack have really set the tone in the second half, haven't they?
Certainly have.
Tawny Burgess directing their troops around. Good hair. Oh,
Was that a little knock on there on the
I
end?
think that's a knock on. Well, great game to start off, Vicky. I know you wanted Te Ātiawa to win. Oh, they still might. How long we got? We got 5 minutes left, maybe.
They're gonna have to.
Yeah, we're gonna
They're gonna have to really go.
I'm split. I would have liked both of them to win. Oh,
dear, not
no,
like
it's a
that.
knock on. Oh, that's a shame from Kere Rako, who's been so good.
$46.6.
Holy heck.
46-6 next door, ngā Ruahine, over Ngāti Mutunga at the moment.
Don't forget to tune in this afternoon, whānau, for the next Wahine game at 1:30.
140, I think it is.
1:40.
Yeah. Oh, look at that show and go by the centre. Outstanding. Good
Right
work.
time.
There.
Lovely.
What does that take that out to now? That is
14.
14-4, whānau. The second half has really opened up, hasn't it? That first half was 0-0, whānau. 0-0.
Amazing what you can do in 25 minutes,
That's
isn't
right.
it, hey?
Yeah, wonder what the coach's words were at half time, eh? The sun's out, whānau. The sun's out in Rahotu. Quickly come down. You've probably got about 5 minutes sunshine before it changes again.
Yeah, I'm still worried that you think that this is sunshine, but anyway,
You just got to make the most of any minute you get of it, eh?
absolutely. So, Caps, how long does it take to bring together an event like this, mate?
Well, it should take about a year. Sometimes we leave it to the last 3 or 4 weeks. But there's a lot of planning that goes in over quite some time. Obviously, applying for funding, getting all your quotes and all that jazz. Then there's the coordination of all the teams, who's putting teams in, who isn't, how often we meet and talk about the rules and all the different bits and pieces. So it does take some time, but I would say it really starts to ramp up about 3 to 4 months out. That's when the real kind of everyone starts getting into the nitty gritty. All the teams organising their players, their uniforms, their support, their
Transport,
their
yeah.
accommodation, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Field 2, final score 56.
50-6 on field 2, whānau ngā Ruahine over Ngāti Mutunga. So yeah, it is a big task, and obviously as the tournament's growing, we've got 20 teams now. With more teams comes more mahi, more money.
Oh,
There we go.
it. That's all over.
All game over. Taranaki Tūturu defeated Te Ātiawa 14-4. It was a great game though. First half was a banger. It
Absolutely.
was both teams even Steven. But I don't know what they put in the water bottles for Tūturu at half time, but they come out swinging in the second half, and their forwards just laid the platform.
Absolutely, they did. That was some really nice forward work. I was quite impressed. And it's probably something that Te Ātiawa probably could have done too, you know, but yeah, they just spent their time defending. So
They did. They
Yeah.
did a lot of defending. But kudos to Te Ātiawa. They really fought a hard battle, as did Taranaki Tūturu. Well, Vicky, it's been awesome to commentate with you.
absolutely, thank you.
All the best with the next game. You got someone else, someone a bit more handsome than me on the next one. So
Excellent.
yeah, there you go. Thanks, whānau. Be ready for the next game on field 1. Ngāti Mutunga against Taranaki Tūturu in the Tāne division.
Kia ora.
Way to go.